So, as in our last video, I told you how to download the snow.exe and why we use snow.exe. But in this video, we will teach, I will teach you how to create that kind of file, because as I said, if you are practicing in your home, you need to at least have that file to decode it. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll go to here and you will get this file. Okay, you will get this file in the video section. So there is a steganography section. We will look at this hide data using white space steganography. So what you have to do, just copy paste this command. Okay, now let's look what this command does. Okay, so first of all, the snow is the .exe file, as you can see here. Okay, in your case it will be like small, but that is not matter. Okay, in our case like it is small. So now if you want, you can change it to the capital snow, but I have just copied it, so I will not change, let it be. So, okay, the first thing that we have done, okay, the first thing like you want to do is you can change from like capital snow to like a normal snow, a small slow. That is the first thing. And the second thing is that this is the message. Okay, m, which means a message, and the message is my bank account number is this xyz. Okay, so this is the message which I want to hide, like this one you can see here. This is the message which I want to hide, and the p hyphen p is a password, like the what is the password of the file which I want to hide, which is this only. Password is password. And this is a file which is readme.txt. Okay, so this is the initial file and this is our the final file, readme.txt. So what I do, I have to make a file called readme.txt, and then I have to make another file called readme2.txt. So the password is the password and your secret code is inside the readme2.txt along with the content of readme.txt. Okay, so first of all, let me make a file called readme here. Okay, okay, now because you need to make it in the same directory where snow.exe file is readme. So okay, so let's say in this file I don't want to put something confidential, as this is a direct accessible. So I'll write as like, let me just give a simple data like you have been hacked. Okay, I'll simply give this. Now as we have saved this file readme.txt, now what I do, what I need to do on this bar, I'll click here. Okay, then we'll simply type cmd and hit enter. So the command prompt will open in the download or the video section. Now here what I have to do, let me just do it dir dir. So as you can see, we have two files, snow.exe and readme.txt. So the command prompt, oh sorry, the what I'll do, I'll copy this command, which is this one, snow.c. Okay, then like minus hyphen c, then our m, which is my, here is my message which you want to, and here is the secret message which we want to put. Okay, like the secret message in my bank account number is this, and with the content of readme.txt, as you can see here. So readme.txt is a normal file which contains only simple words like you have been hacked, but now you want to put this secret text like my bank account number is this. So this is into a file called readme.txt, and a file called like the file readme.txt, and the another file will be readme2.txt. Now the readme2.txt will contain two things. First of all, it will contain the content of readme.txt, which will be you have been hacked, and then it will contain this secret code which is my bank account number, but this secret text would be invisible. Okay, it would be only visible when you put the password. Okay, so now let's look at it. Let me just press or like just hit the enter button. Okay, let me just clear the terminal and we'll paste it again, or let me just copy this command again. Here we go, and done. So as you can see, the message was compressed and now the message was done. See, read, oh, the readme.txt has been made, and now you can see it is only showing. Let me just show you. Here you can see we have a readme.txt, you have been hacked, and there is a readme.2txt. It's also which containing the readme.txt, and the file or the data which is invisible. Okay, you can see that there is nothing, it's only showing. But if you do like this, so as you can see, it's there is something. Okay, right, there is something which is hidden here, but we cannot see. Now let's see the secret.txt. As I told you, you cannot view it, so that is what we call steganography. Now in your exam, you won't be given to make these types of text file. You would already be given a file name xy.txt like here, In our case it is a readme.txt. You would be given xyz txt in a particular folder. You just have to click this, and then you have then you can see that this is a file as nothing is visible. So you have to make things visible. So how you are going to do that? Once again we are going to use this command. Which one? Let me show you. We are going to use this command snow -c then -p, which is our password, and the readme.txt, because if I want to show you, let me just go here. If you just simply type the type, and if I want to read this file, it will only give me UV hacked. Okay, but if you want to see the hidden data now, so simple, you just need to copy this command, okay, which will be available here, and then just simply paste it here. And now if I just press enter button, and boom, can you see my bank account number is 12345678990. So this is how you are going to find out the answer in the visible, that is my bank account number is this xyz. So that is how we are going to do it. So like we are going to do the steganography question, pretty straightforward and simple, right? You don't need to learn about OpenStigo or OpenStrings, as you won't be needing it, but still I'll give you a brief interview like introduction to OpenString and OpenStigo and how to use it. So we'll meet in the next video.